Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. In this session, we are going to start one new series in automation, that is Playwright. So Playwright Automation Testing Syllabus 2026 Job Oriented. Basically, before deep diving into Playwright, let's start with first module, that is Software Testing Fundamentals. Okay, first we need to understand software testing fundamentals, then we are going to start Playwright. Okay, we need to follow the process, step by step process, and this course is completely job oriented and it is created on 2026 with the latest concepts. Let's start this. What is SDLC and STLC concepts? First one is SDLC. SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. What is the definition? SDLC is a structured process used to design, develop, test, and deploy software applications. Okay, basically SDLC is a structured process and it is used to design, develop, test, and deploy software applications. What is the goal of SDLC? Okay, goal of SDLC is to deliver high quality software, complete project on time, reduce development cost. Okay, deliver high quality software, complete project on time, and reduce development cost. Then SDLC phases. What are the phases of SDLC? First one is requirement gathering, second one is planning, design, development, testing, deployment, maintenance. So these are the phases of SDLC. SDLC phases expand. So let's discuss each one. Each phase. First one is requirement gathering. That is understand business needs. Next one is planning. Estimate cost, time, and resources. Then design. Application architecture or UI. When you do design application architecture or UI. Then development. That is coding implementation. Testing. Defect identification. Deployment. Release to production. Maintenance, bug fixes, and enhancements. Okay, these are the SDLC phases. Real-time example. It's a banking application. Requirement, online fund transfer feature. So online fund transfer feature. Okay. What is the SDLC flow? SDLC flow of a online fund transfer feature. So requirement discussion, UI design, coding, testing, production release. Okay. These will be SDLC flow for an online fund transfer feature. Okay. What are the popular SDLC methods? Model. Waterfall model. Waterfall model is sequential model. Like one step will come after another step. Okay. Agile, iterative or incremental. It is iterative process and incremental process. Okay. Spiral, risk focused. Okay, spiral is a risk focused model. V model, testing at every stage. V model means testing at every stage. Okay. Then agile SDLC most used. Basically from all the models, agile SDLC most used one. Okay. Here what happens? That is sprint planning, development, testing, review, and release. Okay, these are the phases which followed in Agile SDLC. First one will be sprint planning, development, testing, review, and release. Okay. The next one is STLC, software testing lifecycle. Okay. Definition: STLC is the testing process followed to ensure software quality through systematic testing. Okay. So STLC is the testing process which is followed to ensure software quality through systematic testing. Okay. What is the goal of STLC? Goal of STLC is to identify defects early, ensure application quality, validate requirements. Then STLC phases. What are the STLC phases? Requirement analysis, test planning, test case design, environment setup, test execution, defect reporting, test closure. Okay. First one is requirement analysis, test planning, test case design, environment setup, test execution, defect reporting, and test closure. Okay. So these are the different phases. Okay. Then STLC phases explain. Let's discuss about all the phases of STLC. Requirement analysis. Understand test scope. Test planning. Define strategy or resources. Test case design. Prepare test cases. Environment setup. Prepare testing environment. Test execution. Execute test cases. Defect reporting. That is log box in Jira. Test closure. That is final reporting or sign up. Okay. Let's discuss about some real-time example. That is login feature testing. Tester. What are the tester activities? Analyze requirement, create test cases, execute tests, report login defects. Okay. Analyze requirement, create test cases, execute tests, and report login defects. Okay. What is the difference between SDLC and STLC? SDLC focus on software development. STLC focus on software testing. SDLC performed by developers. STLC performed by testers. SDLC covers entire project life cycle. STLC cover testing life cycle. Okay. So relationship between SDLC and STLC. SDLC development phase. STLC is testing phase. Testing activities happen during SDLC. Entry criteria versus exit criteria. Type entry criteria, conditions before testing starts. Exit criteria, conditions before testing ends. Okay. Entry criteria is conditions before testing starts. Exit criteria, conditions before testing ends. Example, entry criteria. Suppose entry criteria will be requirements available, environment ready, and okay. So entry criteria will be requirements available and environment ready. Exit criteria, critical defects fixed, test execution completed. Okay. Common tools used, tool and purpose, Jira, bug tracking, Jenkins, CI/CD, TestNG, automation testing. Real-time agile workflow, requirement, sprint planning, development, testing, bug fixing, and release. In interview, we will ask, what is SDLC? Software Development Lifecycle used to develop software systematically. What is STLC? Software Testing Lifecycle followed during testing activities. Difference between SDLC and STLC. SDLC focuses on development, STLC focuses on testing. Then next question is, what are SDLC phases? So SDLC phases are requirement, design, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Real-time interventions, you can say that SDLC is the overall software development process, while STLC is the testing life cycle followed to ensure software quality and defect-free delivery. Okay, so basically SDLC is the overall software development process, while STLC is the testing life cycle followed to ensure software quality and defect-free delivery. Okay. So in one line summary, you can tell that SDLC manages software development, whereas STLC manages software testing activities. Okay, that's it for SDLC and STLC. So that's it for this session. I will come up with new series with a new topic. We will continue this playwright series, and in the next class we are going to discuss another topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please like it, subscribe the channel, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much, guys.